Hello again, guys. Welcome back. I hope you're doing fine. Today we have a really special unboxing foreign banknotes, extremely beautiful foreign banknotes. This is a very thick envelope. It comes from Greece. Here we have some Greek stamps. I do collect the stamps that I get from envelopes or packages. So yeah, this is a very thick envelope, very good foreign banknotes inside, and I must say this is, I think, the best buy that I've made in the last 4 or 5 years on eBay, and you will see why. I will maybe I will do a two-part video because here inside are very is a very big haul of foreign banknotes. So the video, one single video will be very long. So I will cut into two parts. So 2 Sundays. So let's open this. Before I open, for you that are new to my channel, I'm mostly a banknote reseller on eBay rather than a collector, but I do collect. I do keep some banknotes from what I buy on eBay. Banknotes that I like, the design, or some countries that are very scarce to find, or are very expensive to buy exclusively for my collection. So 95% of my total foreign banknote collection is comprised from this type of banknotes. So I do buy exclusively, but they are very rare occasions because my primary focus is reselling on eBay. So it's my business on eBay. So let's see the seller. So here we have. So this is the first that I will open. If you see closely, some really stunners. So this is the second. I don't know. I have another three, but maybe I'll do only one video. Let's see. So the first one. These were 5 auctions that I won, and the seller shipped combined shipping to me in Albania from Greece. And I won 5 extremely good auctions. This is the most great auction that I won. I will not say how much I paid. I will say, or if you watch the video till the end, please leave the comment below how much I paid for all of these, and we will do a price. We will price the banknotes as they stand on eBay with eBay prices. But I think I won a good money on this deal. So let's begin. The first is a beautiful German mark, West Germany. I don't have this banknote, so I think all these banknotes will go directly to my collection, especially this one. But let's see the first one. 5 Deutsche Mark, 1980. A really beautiful series. German mark is my top favorite banknote to collect, but as you know, German mark is very expensive. I have some from West Germany and East Germany. So yeah, the 5 mark. This is not the last German mark before the euro introduction. So yeah, the beautiful 5 that I've missed. So practically this is the way, or this is basically the way I collect banknotes. I buy big lots of banknotes. I will keep some of them and I will resell the other that remaining, or that I have them. So, and this is the true beauty of this, the whole banknote bundle of from the 5 auctions that I won, the 5 Australian dollars. This is just spectacular. This is my highest denomination from Australia, and the first Australian polymer banknote. This is just stunning. I don't know, for you Australians, this might be just a pocket change. Glenn, you know better than me. But for me, this is just spectacular to have. So I don't buy exclusively, because if I bought this $5 exclusively for my collection, I will pay around $10-15 or more. Or at this condition, maybe $15 or 20. But yeah, it's just stunning. My first polymer banknote from Australia, and is my highest denomination to date. Very beautiful. So this was the primary reason I bid on this auction. Another banknote, another country that I really love to collect is the Thailand baht, 20 baht. Extremely beautiful design. I keep everything from Thailand. This is from the 70s. Really beautiful. Another one that I might keep is from the Royal Bank of Scotland, £1 sterling. Edinburgh Castle. Very beautiful. Everything with pound is very expensive. This is a Serbian one, 10 dinara. In this condition, I might resell this, because I keep only almost in uncirculated condition from some Balkan countries. Another country that I will keep is Singapore, $1. Military parade, I think. Very beautiful. So here are the banknotes that I will keep, and here are the banknotes that I will resell on eBay. Here we have an Egyptian £10. I will keep this banknote because I don't find this banknote on this kind of big bundles. I will keep this. Another majestic, beautiful banknote to collect, 100 kronor from Sweden. Really, really beautiful. Extremely beautiful. Here we have a microscopic view of, I think this is a bee pollinating a flower. Of course, this will go to my collection. This is a banknote, about $15-20 banknote. And here we have a South African rand. This is the older series from the 70s, 80s. I do keep South African banknotes for my collection. Very, very scarce to find. And here we have $1 from 1995. I do collect dollars, but I really like the pre-1990s dates. The serial number is not so fancy to keep, so even the condition is not so good. So back to eBay. The second auction that I won. And from the start we see Albanian Beauties, or Albanian Beauty, the 500 lakh. This is the first series, Democracy Years, early 90s. This is from 1994. This is Naim Frasheri, one of our biggest poets, and this is one of his most famous poems, of course in Albanian. But I have this banknote, 3 or 4 of these banknotes, so this will go back to eBay. Now is the time that I will not collect everything from Albania. This is the 20 rubles or ruble from Belarus, year 2000. I had this series of the old Belarus rubles, but I've sold them through the years, so I'm recollecting them. This is not it's not in a very good condition, but I will see if I have this 20 in my collection already. This will go back to eBay, so I will keep for the moment. And this is another stunner from this big bundle, 100,000 lei, polymer lei, not the paper one. I have the paper one, I've missed this one, and this goes for about $15-20 in this condition. Really, really beautiful banknote. Romanian currency is one of my favorite to collect. Top 15 countries. This is from 2001. The older series, the hyperinflative series. Very beautiful. Another country, this is almost unsimulated condition, the Philippine peso. Another country that I really love to collect. Beautiful design. $1998. 50,000 ruble from Belarus. I'm sure that I don't have this banknote, so this banknote will go directly to my collection. Very beautiful. So the amount of banknotes that I will keep. This is 200 som from Uzbekistan, series 1997. This will go back to eBay because I have this banknote. Another one, 50,000 ruble from Belarus. Because it's high denomination and it's not cheap. The older series of Belarus I will also keep this banknote. Another from Thailand. Why I'm saying Thailand? This is 20 baht, modern series. I think this is from the year 2000s, if I'm not mistaken. So yes, a common one to find, 10,000 lira from Italy. pre-euro, the last series of Italian lira. Goes back to eBay. This is Iranian 200 reals. Goes back to eBay. I have that banknote. Here we have 20 shilling from Austria, 1967. I have this banknote in much better condition, so back to eBay. This is 1 lev from Moldova or Moldavia, series 2006. I do keep everything from Moldavia, but not this banknote. If it was in a much better condition, I will keep this banknote. So back to eBay. Another country that I like to collect is Ukraine. Here we have one Grvini. I'm sorry if I butchered that name. I do keep what we have here. Oh, from Cuba. Too bad I have done the Cuban video, my Cubanese collection, coins and banknotes, and I forgot on that video. I forgot to mention that you will not find if you search on eBay Cuba, North Korea, or Iran, you will not find them because of the economic sanctions from the United States, so you will not find them on eBay if you search them. And the only way is to find them in this kind of bundles, mixed bundles. And this is a very, very old banknote from 1897. Wow. This is extremely beautiful banknote on find. $20 centavos or 20 cents. Of course, this will go to my collection. The moment I don't know the eBay price of this banknote, I will research it. Or if you know, please let me know in the comments below. Another one from Serbia, 10 dinara. I maybe will keep this banknote. It's in a much better condition from 2013. Yes, I will keep this banknote. Also another banknote to keep, this Turkish 5 lira, the new lira, 5 lira. Since 2005, Turkey has the new series. This is the current series of Turkish lira. They dropped about 6 or 8 zeros, so this will go to my collection. We have here another one. I think this is from Saudi Arabia. Yes, 1 rial. I keep most of banknotes from Arab countries or the Middle East. Very scarce to find, and they are not cheap, so I will keep this banknote. Another banknote to keep, this 5, another Ukrainian 5 hryvnia, very, very beautiful. I do love this series, to my collection. Another common one, 1000 lira from Italy, pre-euro. Goes back to eBay. And we have here a Chinese one, 1 yuan, 1999. I have some of these. I do collect them, but this is not in the right condition to keep, so I will resell this banknote. So I do resell banknotes on eBay, what I have put here, but also I will mix this banknotes with other banknotes that I have in stock. So this is the way I do business on eBay. I will buy, I will keep some for my collection, and I will resell some that I have or I don't need. So yeah guys, this was the first part of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. So this is basically my work, my business, eBay collecting, And if you're new to my channel also, I have now my own website. It's just one-page website, nothing fancy. I have put here my YouTube channel, but if you're watching this video, you're already on YouTube. My website battery is gone. nandicollector.com. Please check it out if you're interested to buy some of my banknotes. I have already put here some of my best sets or lots. So you will not buy directly from my website. These banknotes are on my official store on eBay. So you will go directly to my eBay store. So I don't have internet connection. Sorry. So okay, now we have internet connection. Let's see this Greek set of banknotes. So here you are on the official eBay store. So basically this is my official eBay store. Of course, if you want, I have put here some banknotes from Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so if you buy something from Amazon, I will get commission. Nothing too big if you buy this kind of with this kind of prices. So, but just it was just a disclaimer. So yeah, guys, thank you again. And this was the first part. Let's see next week what the second part of this video, what kind of banknotes we will find. Thanks again, guys, and of course I have also my eBay, my social media links. So here we have nandicollector.com. I have put my social media links in the video description. Instagram, Facebook, of course YouTube, you already here. So thanks again, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.